Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular mesh Wi-Fi systems, Google Wi-Fi and TP-Link Deco AX3000. We'll be discussing their features, performance, and more. So, if you're looking to upgrade your home Wi-Fi, make sure to watch this video till the end. And don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Both Google Wi-Fi and TP-Link Deco AX3000 are priced at $199, making them affordable options for improving your home Wi-Fi network. Google Wi-Fi offers a 1-pack that covers up to 1,500 square feet, while the 3-pack expands the coverage to up to 4,500 square feet. TP-Link Deco AX3000 also covers up to 4,500 square feet with seamless high-performance Wi-Fi 6. Both systems ensure a reliable connection throughout your home. Google Wi-Fi points work together to create a mesh network, ensuring fast and stable Wi-Fi in every room. TP-Link Deco AX3000 can connect up to 150 devices, providing strong and reliable Wi-Fi for all your devices. It also offers more Gigabit Ethernet ports for wired connections. Google Wi-Fi offers simple setup using the Google Home app, parental controls, easy device prioritization, and compatibility with other Google Wi-Fi points. TP-Link Deco AX3000 comes with TP-Link HomeShield, offering premium security services such as network and IoT protection, parental controls, and more. And that concludes our comparison between Google Wi-Fi and TP-Link Deco AX3000. Both systems are excellent choices for improving your home Wi-Fi network. It ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.